I'm going to show you how you can add some razzle dazzle to a top in just a few minutes. This is one of the easiest projects you can do. It takes no time at all and it doesn't even involve any sewing. There's lots of different types of motifs that you can get. So we're going to use a beaded motif, but you can get just stitch motifs as well that are iron-on, and these great little clothes plasters too that come in lots of little designs. So this is my jumper, and I'm going to iron on this motif onto my jumper like the one that I'm wearing. So I'm going to decide where exactly I want it to be. I think to one side close to the neckline, and then using pins with no heads, so just the little silver ones, I'm going to try and pin through the motif in a couple of places just to hold it still. It is quite hard with the beaded motifs because they can be quite stiff. And now I'm going to turn that inside out. And I'm going to iron on the reverse. You do need it on a reasonably high heat setting in order to melt the glue on the back of the motif. But if your fabric is delicate, then I'd suggest using a muslin in place. And then because it's a bit bumpy, now that I've sort of made one, it's fused a little bit, I'm going to take out the pins just so it sits flat whilst I do the rest. And you just keep your iron moving, but you need to let that heat from the iron go all the way through to your jumper, to the other side, so it melts that glue. I'm just going to check and see if that's fused. So that's now ironed on, but sometimes for the heavy beaded motifs it's a good idea also just to do a few stitches round the outside just to help take some of the weight as well. So I'm just going to, with a needle and thread, just do a few stitches. Ta-da! Something sparkly in no time. If you want to have a go, we've got lots of motifs like this one in our shop, so pop in and have a look.